All right, man. A moment of truth. Let's call her. If she don't answer, that'd be crazy. She should though. Hey, I was calling because I just turned in my keys and everything. I was letting you know.
Oh, okay, thank you.
And then I also had a question, because I asked her like, what else was the reasons why I got let go and I didn't get like a warning or anything. She told me to call you and ask you.
Yeah, so with using a handheld device while driving, it's a zero tolerance policy. So there's no write-up, there's no nothing. It's immediate termination.
Okay, and what I was trying to see, because she also said that I got reported, so I was trying to see like, because I don't recall actually holding my phone unless I was actually at a terminal. I mean, not a terminal, a dock backing.
There were two instances. So we have a social media team within the company,
Mm-hmm.
and that's part of their job, because we have a lot of drivers that do videos for, YouTube, TikTok, and what have you. So that's their thing. I don't know what all they, I don't know what all that department does. But I know I got an email with multiple links. I went through and watched the videos. There were two videos where one of them you were recording an accident that happened on the road. And the other one, I don't remember what you were recording, but it was on the road. Both times it was on the road. And the decision came down from safety. I didn't have a choice. I had to go with what safety told me to do.
Okay, because even in those videos, I always have, when I was recording on the road, I have my camera actually like mounted onto my truck.
Right, I understand, but the use of a handheld device while driving is not allowed.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're welcome to call safety and appeal the decision, but unfortunately, it's 100% out of my hands. I just had to do what they told me to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem, honey. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, so y'all just heard everything she just said. Now I just heard, bro. Now y'all literally just heard what she just said. Earlier today it was something totally different that I was told, but now y'all heard she said it's a social media team that goes through with this stuff. And you know what's crazy, bro? I literally know what they're talking about. Like, when those two videos they're talking about has to be the two videos that I just recorded last week. Literally, it has to be last week, where I literally had my camera docked. I mean, I had my camera at the I had my camera mounted while I was talking. And it was another time where I was literally sitting in traffic, not moving, where I was talking to my camera. So I'm gonna call safety, like she said, because I don't want that on my report. Like, I don't even want to work for y'all anymore. I just don't want that on my report, because if y'all gonna use those two videos against me, then y'all might as well use my whole channel against me, because my whole channel, I literally have recorded myself driving. I literally done had my camera mounted on my thing driving this whole time. So if they gonna knock me for those, they might as well knock me down for every last one of my videos. And honestly, if it's a social media team, y'all would have seen my very first video that I uploaded. And y'all should have terminated me. They should have terminated me my very first video, bro. My very first video on my channel that I dropped, y'all can go watch that. It's the delivering a load for Swift. Bro, I should have got terminated that video. That should have been the very first video that should have gotten me terminated. But you're not being able to record. It's a zero policy, a zero tolerance policy for recording using the use of a handheld device. I should have been gone. I should have been gone since day one. But those videos are the ones that y'all wanted to knock me. I guess because I showed the accident. But I literally had my damn camera sitting on my truck while I was driving. So I'm about to call safety. I'm calling safety tomorrow because there ain't no way I'm letting y'all put that on my record, bro. If y'all gonna be like that, y'all gonna take those 2 videos where I literally be having my camera. Like, bro, y'all seen I have my camera docked. I be having my camera set up. I have my camera set up in the middle of my truck, or I had it set up in the middle of that truck. And I used to rotate this camera that I have using a press of a button and record the road. So if they knocking me for that, bro, they might as well knock me down. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all should have been terminated me, bro. They should have been knocked me down for every last one of my videos that I uploaded. But now y'all heard it. She said she actually watched the videos, but this is a whole, like, I've been told so many different things, but I feel like right now she just told me was authentic and real. So y'all heard it. I'm not cut it out. That's what it was. I'm probably gonna be done. I'm gonna be done talking about this topic of me getting fired and everything. Like, I done made like 4 videos already. My next video, I am gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about pay for y'all. I'm gonna go down, break down pay and all that stuff and my experiences and all that. And then after that, I'm lock in, go get all of my endorsements. I'm gonna take a break from trucking in general for like about a good 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna go with another company. So with that being said, that's all for this video right here. I'm out.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast. We've been dormant inside, but that come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keep bending flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be chicken, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switch up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back down.